Hello everyone. Today we will study the first chapter of Geography, class 9th, our state, Karnataka. In this lesson, we will cover the topics: the greatness of our state and its heritage, the origin of the name Karnataka and the form of the state. Lastly, the geographical location, size, land and water frontiers and neighboring states of Karnataka. These things we will learn in this lesson. Now let's start with the chapter. In the previous class, you have studied about the physical geography. In the lesson, we will study about our state Karnataka, the land of Kannadigas. It is one of the Indian state which has its own greatness, prestige and heritage. This land has an ideal situation and is blessed with diverse relief features, flora and fauna. Flora means is related to the plants and fauna means different types of animals, different types of soil, river system, minerals and human resources. It is a prosperous land with its own literature, art and culture, and has religious, spiritual and historically famous pilgrimage center. Many places in Karnataka are famous for their World Heritage Site and its natural beauty and abundance of wildlife. Now we will see the origin of the name. The name Karnataka has been in use from ancient times. This land used to be called Karanadu. Here it is. Karanadu means land of black soil. The word Karanadu refers to Karnataka in the ancient Tamil work, and Karuna means the land which is an elevated plateau. It has been mentioned in Narupatunga's grammatical work Kaviraja Marga that Karnataka extended from the Kaveri river up to the Godavari river. After the independence, India was divided into many states. In 1947, 9 southern districts, which were still under the rule of the Mysore kings, were brought together and formed the Mysuru state. Later, when the states were reorganized on the linguistic basis, linguistic means on the basis of language. On the linguistic basis, areas with Kannada speaking people in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Madras and Kodagu provinces were brought together. Thus, on 1st November 1956, the Vishal Mysore state came into being. It is in found this we are celebrating this day as Rajyotsava every year. On 1st November 1973, in response to the wishes of Kannadigas, our state was renamed as Karnataka. Two important dates you have to remember. That first one is 1956, Vishal Mysore state came into existence, and in 1973, it was renamed as Karnataka. Now we will see the geographical location. Karnataka is one of the 29 states of India. It is situated in the southern part of India. As you can see on the screen, in the map of India, the Karnataka is situated in the southern part of India. Karnataka extends from 11 degree 31 minute north to 18 degree 45 minutes north latitude. Here latitude means that horizontal line on the globe, they are called as latitudes, and 74 degree 12 minutes east to 78 degree 40 minutes east longitude. Longitude means that vertical lines on the globe. Its length is 750 kilometers. From Aurad Taluk in Bidar district is the northernmost tip of the Chamarajanagar district in the south. Its width is 400 meters from the west to east. Karwar in Uttar Kannada district is at the western end, whereas Magdul Taluk is in Kolar district is in the eastern end. Karnataka state has both land and water frontiers too. Frontiers means boundaries. The Arabian Sea in the west, states of Maharashtra in north, Andhra Pradesh in east, Tamil Nadu in south, Kerala in southeast, and Goa in northwest form its frontiers. The shape of Karnataka resembles as chestnut. Now next we will deal with the size. Karnataka stretches over an area of 1,91,791 square kilometers. It is India's 8th largest state with regard to area, and according to the 2011 census, here census means the calculation of the population within a year, it is called as census. And according to the census of 2011, it has the 9th position with a population of 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704. Karnataka occupies 5.83% of India's geographical area. At present, there are 30 districts in our states. As you can see on the screen, the map of Karnataka, it is having 30 districts. These districts comprises 176 taluks, 347 towns, 27,481 villages. Belgavi is the largest district in size and Bengaluru urban district is the smallest. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. The state has been divided into 4 divisions for administrative convenience. They are Bangalore division, Mysore division, Belgavi division and Kalburgi division. In Bangalore division, 9 districts are there. In Mysore, 8 districts, and Belgavi it is 7, and lastly in Kalburgi district 6 districts are there. Here we have completed that lesson our state Karnataka. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.